Again, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Hidden Zaika. Today I'm sharing an amazing gluten-free and wheat-free roti recipe that is soft, healthy, and incredibly easy to make. If you're looking for a healthier alternative to regular roti or trying to reduce wheat in your diet, this recipe is perfect for you. Let's get started. In a blender, add 4 tablespoons of quinoa and about half a cup of water. Blend everything until you get a smooth, silky paste. Just look at that texture, so soft and creamy. The best part is that this recipe is incredibly simple, with no kneading required at all. Now, lightly warm a nonstick tawa and pour some of the quinoa paste onto it. Gently spread it into a round roti shape, just like I'm showing you. Be careful not to press too hard while spreading. Here's an important tip: don't add any oil. A warm nonstick pan is all you need. Once the roti is spread out, turn the heat up to high and let it cook. As you start to see the color changing in the roti setting from the bottom, carefully slide your spatula underneath and flip it over to cook the other side. This roti takes a little bit longer to cook than a regular wheat roti, but trust me, it is absolutely worth the wait. The result is a soft, delicious, and satisfying roti that's healthy, great for weight management, and doesn't have any unpleasant aftertaste. It's perfect for enjoying with your favorite curry, sabzi, or dal. From just 4 tablespoons of quinoa, I was able to make 2 rotis. Give this recipe a try and let me know in the comments how your roti turned out. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share Hidden Zaika. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.